SolidWorks has some great tools that help you leverage and transform your existing 2D CAD data into intelligent 3D designs. Companies can have a lot of 2D CAD. It can be quite overwhelming, if not impossible, to find a specific design. SolidWorks PDM data management system, shown here, makes this a breeze. It automatically reads in DWG attributes. Here we have a DWG from 1995. Directly from PDM we can zoom, pan, and quickly take measurements, saving a ton of time. For this particular job, we need to search for old 2D drawings from a supplier called Bayside Controls. PDM provides powerful and instant search results. Using the integrated preview, again we can zoom in, view title block attributes, which are mapped by PDM, and take measurements. A simple drag and drop into SolidWorks brings up the step-by-step wizard. In this case, let's bring it into a new 3D part. The easy-to-use interface lets us choose units, layers, and options for constraints and dimensions. At this stage, we can also remove any details we don't require, and also define the sketch origin, which will make this very easy to work with in SolidWorks. DWG blocks are also recognized, giving you full control. Inside the sketch, you will see the dimensions brought through and additional sketch relations which were added. We can window select an area and assign it to be the front. Similarly, we can assign the left view, and SolidWorks rotates the views correctly using a hinged glass box method. Selecting some matching elements, we can then align the views together perfectly. From here, we can easily extrude the end sketch and snap to a vertex point to set the depth correctly. Simply selecting a portion of the sketch again, we can repeat the process to extrude another area. The same master sketch can be used again and again, and the intelligent end conditions mean that the 3D model will update dynamically. We can also set intelligent start conditions to specify exactly where each feature starts and ends. SolidWorks has powerful contour selection tools, allowing multiple regions to be extruded in one go, alleviating the need to trim, delete entities, or create separate sketches. This, combined with the from conditions, means you can turn your 2D data into 3D models as fast as possible. But the huge benefit of being able to repurpose your 2D CAD data inside SolidWorks is that design changes are instant. Selecting any dimension and keying in a new value updates the model immediately. Instant 3D can also be used and allows for dynamic changes in real time. Let's take a look at another job, this time a hopper feeder DWG. PDM makes finding this easy, and a simple drag and drop into SolidWorks gets the ball rolling. Same as before, using the wizard, we can set some simple options. Once opened in SolidWorks, we can assign views and align them together. Sketches are created with their DWG dimensions and relations automatically created. Sketches can be snapped into place to fully define them. Extrude options can be set to flip side to cut, meaning the material around the outside of a shape gets removed, ideal for this tapered feeder. Here we're going to use the power of SolidWorks to convert this solid shape into sheet metal. Selecting a fixed face and the edges to bend is all that is required. The flattened shape is then just a click away. Of course, the main reason for resurrecting this old DWG was to make changes and issue new fabrication drawings. Changes in SolidWorks are quickly made, and the flat pattern is always up to date. Finally, a brief example for the joinery industry, which would have had a lot of 2D CAD data. Here we have a dining room table. and using the same steps, it can be quickly turned into 3D. A huge benefit is the automatic materials cut list, which shows stock sizes and quantities. Going further, SolidWorks Visualize can produce real-life renderings perfect for showing to clients. Bring your 2D drawings into 3D today with the powerful and easy-to-use SolidWorks design tools.